Today, I'll show you the easiest way to access and switch between the foreground and background colors using simple keyboard shortcuts. In most Adobe apps, like Photoshop, you normally see two color swatches at the bottom of the toolbar: the foreground color in front and the background color behind it. Instead of clicking these with the mouse, you can manage both instantly with your keyboard. Let me show you how to do so. Go to Edit and click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Navigate to the top and select Tools. From the tool list below, scroll down and look for Foreground Color Picker, or just use the Search tab to find it quickly. Now input any letter you can easily remember and click on Accept to confirm it. Search for Background Color Picker, assign a different letter that you can easily remember. Click on Accept to save it, and OK to confirm. Now let me show how you can use these shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Brush tool selected. To paint with the foreground color, just press the key you have assigned earlier to open the color picker. Choose your preferred color and click OK to confirm it. For the background color, press the key you used to automatically open the color picker. Choose your preferred color and click OK to confirm it. Press X to swap the foreground and background colors. So next time you need to switch or apply colors, remember: D resets, X swaps, and delete fills. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe and share. See you in the next video.